heroes here at Natural Transplants. We have Zika. He's here with us again. He is just over 2 years from his last surgery with Dr. Huebner, and he's here to finish it up. So the plan today, we're keeping this beautiful hairline that he has. We're just going to reinforce the front, so he's got a little more density in the front here. And then we're also going to focus on the top of the crown area in the back. How are you feeling about it?
Great. Came back, so it's a good thing.
Yeah, we just looked at your before pictures from the first surgery, and tell us how different they are even now.
Oh, huge difference. Night and day.
Family and friends said anything to you?
They love it. They love it. Yeah.
Awesome.
That was the difference.
Awesome.
And today we're going to actually be taking out his old scar, and we're going to be finalizing everything in the back as well. So he's going to be left with one scar, which is a good thing for him. He decided on that. So we're all very excited to see the final results and see how he does with even more hair.
Yeah.
Great.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our HUE and HUE Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.